National Water Agency PUB is exploring new ways to tackle the midge infestation that's being seen at Pandan Reservoir. Environment and Water Resources Minister Masagos Zulkifli says that these non-biting flies, they can't be eradicated completely, and such occurrences may become more frequent with climate change.
The midge infestation at Pandan Reservoir was a constant annoyance to residents living nearby. The fast growth of these midges was due to an unusual hot spell. This July was the second warmest July since 1929. This current species is also rare and has not been studied in great detail. It displays different behaviors from other known species, so PUB had to try new ways to manage the population. Environment and Water Resources Minister Masagos Zulkifli says new measures include greasing drain walls to trap the midges. PUB is also using oily paper in the drains to capture adult midges. PUB has also stepped up fogging and using larvicide in the reservoir.
This problem is really man versus nature. In the kind of war, man has never been known to win. Indeed, we can only suppress, we can only do our best, but we have to live with nature. In fact, we are the ones who are intruding into their living spaces.
West Coast GRC MP Fumi Ha raised some suggestions like helping residents install insect screens in their homes and planting more trees and shrubs around the reservoir where midges can congregate.
The most effective way to deal with midges is to eliminate them at source. So I know PUB uses biological larvicide BTI, and using tons of it this time at the reservoir by injecting the larvicide into the reservoir's sediment. And I would like to ask the Minister how PUB determines the effectiveness of BTI in controlling larva population at the reservoir. How can the injected BTI is expected to zero in on the midge larva given the vast area of the reservoir sediment?
As we put in the larvicide, we also monitor the quality of the water. So we can't put so much to kill because there are more midges in the river. In the end, the quality of the water gets compromised. So there's a trade-off between killing enough or killing so much, or everything we kill ourselves. So we can't do that either.
Mr. Masagos added PUB will continue to find more effective mitigating measures.